I often look in the dumpster to see if I can find any old computers, and this time I found something very interesting. It's very old, forgotten, and strange. Who used this machine? What was its purpose? What is the history behind this machine, and what is it? Look at all those expansion cards. Why are there so many of them? And what's behind this door? The door has a lock, meant to keep out anyone who is not supposed to gain access to this machine. But is it still locked? Should I remember to lock the door? It's open. And what do we see here? It's a floppy drive, a CD-ROM, but what is this? Reset NT? Reset DOS? Let's open up this computer and see what's inside. You can see the RAM and the CPU on one board. So it's a complete computer on one board, and above it is the same. And there we can see DOS and NT4. So this is like two computers in one machine. Now, let's get this PC back up and running. Finally, it is complete. Will this PC work? Will its true secrets finally be revealed? To find out, stay tuned for next episode. Just kidding. It works. password? Or could I just hit enter? I have access. But no, this is wrong. Its secrets cannot be revealed to the public. You never saw this video. Please share this video